Hi, my name is Kevin, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to target your buying committee at high intent accounts on Meta. So we're going to set up this account list in our Spotlight tool. This is our account journey and intent tool. And to set that list up, we're going to create a segment. So I'm going to click Create Segment. And here I'm going to enter the criteria of that high intent list. So I want to make sure first that I'm only targeting companies that have viewed a high intent page. You can set up your high intent pages in the settings section of your account. After that, I'm going to layer in on top of this some firmographic criteria such as company size and industry. We'll do computer software. Now, there's 941 accounts that meet this criteria. I'm going to narrow that down a little bit more, and I'm going to also add in website visits. So I want to make sure that the companies that I'm targeting have been to my website at least 5 times. It'll calculate the total number of accounts on the right-hand side, and that went from 900 accounts to 200 accounts. So I'll save this as a segment, and we'll call this High Intent Buying Committee. We'll save that here. Now, we'll see that all the list of accounts that meet this criteria here, and you can filter on the top right for the time frame that you want to look at this information in. Now, to create this audience that we're going to use on Meta, you need to navigate back to Demand Hub. All right, once you've navigated to Demand Hub, go to your Audiences tab and select Add New Audience. I'm going to click View All to create this high intent segment. And I'll scroll down to my Spotlight Retargeting Contacts. Here I can choose that segment that I created, High Intent Buying Committee. And we're going to look at all accounts that are between 50 or 200 and 5,000 employees that are in computer software, that have visited our website at least 5 times and viewed a high intent page in the last 90 days. There's 12 accounts that meet this criteria. It's a bit small, so what I'm going to do is expand this audience a bit by increasing the date range. That jumped from 12 to 32 accounts. I like that, so I'm now going to layer in some more persona-based information. Now, if you're not targeting the right people at high intent accounts, you're not really targeting the right accounts. So we're going to make sure that we're targeting people that are manager and above, and that work in marketing and sales. But I also want to make sure that we are excluding anybody that works in product marketing or field marketing. So once I have this criteria all entered, I will create my audience. Once you create that audience, we're going to find the contacts that work at those companies in our database. And we're going to push a list of emails associated with those contacts to your connected ad accounts. So for Facebook, this will probably take about an hour to match those contacts. And once it's ready, you can start building campaigns. And that's how you create a Spotlight segment audience.